Hey everyone, welcome to LifeThoughtsCamera YouTube channel. In today's video, I will be showing you how to do a salon style pedicure at home. It will be a step-by-step guide. So this is how my nails look. I purposefully did not do my regular pedicure routine for over a month. And honestly, they are not that bad looking. I have been genetically blessed. Now, the goal is to make it look like this. Now, remember guys, the nails on the feet grow much slower than the fingernails. Also, do check back after 1 month to see how long a pedicure lasts. This should be an interesting experiment. Step 1. Remove nail polish. When I'm removing my nail polish, I prefer to use acetone-free nail polish remover as they are more gentle on the nails. The acetone-free nail polish remover that I'm using is by the brand Color. Do check out this video to see the review. As this video progresses, there will be a lot more pop-ups just like this. Do check them out for more information regarding the product. Step 2. Trim the nails. Personally, I prefer to use the nail cutter to trim my toenails. I have tried using the nail filer, but it just did not work out for me. I like to keep my nails completely trimmed. This way, I don't have to spend much time maintaining them. Also, I naturally have sufficient length due to which I don't need to grow out my nails. Except for my pinky, which I feel it's a bit tiny compared to the other nails. So I leave some amount of length just on my pinky nail. Step 3. Removing all the dead skin and perfecting the nail bed. The nail bed, which is the cuticle, should look perfect. I start by preparing a warm bath. I fill a bucket with sufficient amount of warm water so that my feet are submerged, and I also add 3 tablespoons of salt. I also fill my electric kettle with piping hot water and keep the kettle covered with my kitchen towel. I do this towel covering to keep the water in the kettle hotter for a longer duration of time. Now I soak my feet for a few minutes or until the cuticle gets a bit soft. Next, I quickly dab it with my towel, and with the help of a cuticle pusher, I gently push back my cuticles. You can also try moving the cuticle pusher in small circular motion. Be very slow and cautious of the pressure you're using. What I'm actually pushing is in fact called the epinocchium. The white stuff that you see is organic and also sticky. This method will also remove all the dead skin. And guys, regardless of the tool you're using, make sure it is cleaned properly. This area is very delicate and I do my best not to introduce any bacteria. I then use the other side of my tool and scrape out the dead tissue. If I don't take it off, it will cause an issue when I'm applying nail polish, meaning it creates a bad surface area. I do a quick rinse off by dunking my feet into the same bucket of water. Remove any hangnails that are present. As you can see, I don't have any. I usually get them sometimes on my hands and don't remember having such an issue with my feet. By now the water usually starts to get a bit cold, so I just add a little bit of piping hot water from the kettle. Next, I take my pumice stone and gently remove all the dead skin from my heel and sole area. I get a lot of residue. It looks like the residue from an eraser. Now, I don't overdo it here. I just do it like 10 times on one spot and move to the next until I'm done with the base of my entire feet. And for a calloused area, it is very important to leave a bit of callus behind. If you remove the callus completely, it will leave your skin in a very vulnerable position. Remember, the callus has formed in that particular spot for a reason, and the reason is that you're putting too much pressure on that particular spot. This process also makes the skin feel a lot smoother. Another important note I would like to add is if you're someone who has a medical condition like diabetes, then you have to be even more careful, and if you're getting it done in a salon, then please do tell your nail tech about your condition. Step 4. Quick rinse and nail care. For this step, I'm usually in a bathroom, but I'm showing you the process here as it is better lighting. After I'm done with both my feet, I just walk over to the bathroom and do a quick rinse off under running water. I quickly pat my feet dry and apply a few drops of almond oil in the palm of my hand and warm it up a bit. I then proceed to spread it evenly all around. I give extra attention to my cuticles. I do my best not to put my feet on the ground and just keep them hovering like this. I know, it's kind of funny. I do this for about a minute, then I just wear my rubber footwear and walk slowly over because my feet are a bit slippery due to the lotion. I walk over to my chair where I sit comfortably with my legs hovering again, and I watch TV for about 30 minutes. You have to check out my other nail related videos. It is a definite must watch for newbies out there. Now I'm moving on to step 5. Everything I mentioned under section A is what I do when I'm applying nail polish, and everything under section B is what I do when I don't apply nail polish. Step 5A. Prepping the nail base. No matter what you're doing, if the base is not proper, then the finished look will not be perfect, nor will it be long lasting. I start by dipping a Q-tip into my acetone-free nail polish remover. Then I remove the excess liquid. I only focus on my nails. By doing this, I remove all the oil. Step 6A. Protecting the nails. After the nails are dry, I apply a base coat. This protects the nail from getting stained and turning a bit yellow. Step 7A. They are ready. Now the nails are finally ready for applying nail polish. Check out this video here for learning how to apply nail polish perfectly at home. And after the nail polish is dried, I apply a top coat. This makes the polish last much longer. Step 5B. Natural looking nails. Using a nail polisher, I very slowly and carefully polish the top part of my nails. Step 6B. Applying lotion. I do a quick rinse off using my towel. I don't have a specific cuticle cream, I just apply a body lotion. How often do I do this pedicure routine? I do my best to do a pedicure once every 2 weeks. Apart from this, regular nail care is important. I will be making a separate video about the nail care. And guys, if you're interested in lifestyle, do check out my other videos. Now, don't forget to thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive all notifications. Bye!